The lack of liquidity prevents startups from engaging in the best professional advisors, and founders often find themselves juggling financial challenges without the necessary skills. Close was created to transform the startup landscape and address the issue of liquidity limitations. We provide fundraising support and our revolutionary solution where our team of specialists works for equity. With our support, startups can grow into profitable and scalable businesses. As time goes by, our equity in the startup increases through our equity convertible services, while our portfolio of startups continues to expand. We continuously seek out and select only high-potential startups with attractive valuations. Through rigorous due diligence, we select those with an excellent team, innovative product, global market, and solid patents. To facilitate investments, we opened our capital to investors and converted it into tokens. One token corresponds to one share. These digital shares can be traded on an open market. For every investment, 75% goes to high-potential startups, while 25% is retained to grow our portfolio, creating a continuous flow of investments. Now, even startups that were previously closed to investment are available through us. Since all of our assets are invested in these ventures, we share a common interest in the success of the startups, ensuring our goals are aligned with those of our investors. During successful capital increases, exits, or dividend distribution, we come together to celebrate these significant achievements. With Close, invest in the future of startups and be part of an economic revolution. Note that this video is informative and does not constitute investment advice. Close cannot be held responsible for decisions made based on this video.